We got some huge news for Visa and Mastercard stock investors as the companies reach the deal with retailers to lower fees. Now I'm going to discuss the details of this deal and what it could mean for Visa and Mastercard stock investors, and update my recommendation on these two stocks, let you know if I think it's buy, hold, or sell following these developments. So Visa and Mastercard struck a deal with retailers that would lower fees for merchants, potentially lowering prices but threatening the prized consumer rewards. These are those credit cards that come with cashback rewards like a 2%, 3%, or sometimes up to 5% back on certain categories when you make purchases using a certain rewards credit card. I like these. I use these also. And so the merchants that made this deal want to have more control over those fees that they pay depending on which credit cards consumers use. So Visa and MasterCard have been entangled in a lawsuit brought on by retailers for the last 20 years, alleging the companies have fixed the price of interchange fees, which is a large percentage of the fees merchants pay when a customer makes a purchase with a credit card. Every time you use your credit card, the merchant pays a fee. Sometimes it's like a 50-cent fee plus 2 or 2.5% of the transaction value the merchants pay when you use your credit card. I pay these fees on my website. When someone buys my book, I pay a fee. It's like 50 cents for each purchase plus 2 to 3% of the total purchase value I pay as a fee for the users, depending on the credit card or payment method they use. It's higher for some payment methods and lower for others. And so merchants were not happy that they have to pay these fees, especially imagine you're a merchant like Walmart or Home Depot or Lowe's or Amazon. Those fees really add up. And so you're interested in lowering those fees, or you're also interested in increasing competition between Visa and MasterCard. And actually, that's one of the reasons why I've informed investors that I've really liked Visa and MasterCard stock over the previous 7 or 8 years I've been following these companies, is because of that limited competition, right? I devote a whole chapter in my book talking about competition and how I like industries where businesses don't compete fiercely against each other. And this is a prime example. In fact, they're so limited in competition that they're facing lawsuits for not competing aggressively enough. Click the link below to watch the full video.